Hi, friends. It seems appropriate to include a group nature-based ritual as part of our study of this week's topic. If luck is at hand, many of us will have clear skies sometime during this unit to observe our Earth's beautiful satellite, the moon. So I suggest we come together as one class and one body under the autumn, or I guess if you're in the southern hemisphere, the spring moon. This will be a way of staying connected, acknowledging the richness and fullness of this unit and this class. So this Friday night, I invite you to please take some special time to look up at the moon and realize that others on this same transpersonal ecopsychological journey are also doing the same. If possible, spend at least 20 to 30 minutes in this ritual. The same ritual could instead be done on Saturday night. It can also be done both nights if you choose. And if the clouds aren't in accord at all, it would also be fine to do it another night this unit. Linear time. Some say is an illusion. Anyway. But I digress. Okay, prepare for this common moon-gazing ritual by selecting a safe and comfortable spot where you can get a view of the rising moon. Spread a blanket out, something to sit on, maybe a tarp underneath it if it's moist, and light a candle, if it's appropriate for you to do so. If you have one in a jar, it's less likely to blow out. Become still and acknowledge with gratitude the presence of silence and stillness and the evening darkness. Pay attention to your body's sensations, the air temperature, the aromas, the night sounds. What are you aware of? Become fully present of yourself under the night sky. Next, think about our common purpose with this class, to better understand and to help heal the relationship between humans and nature. Think about what this class has meant to you so far, the connections you've made with each other and your instructors, and how much your knowledge has grown. Consider some of the challenges you've encountered and express gratitude for those because they help us grow and expand. Also acknowledge the gifts you've gained from this class and express your gratitude in your heart for the contributions of others who have made these gifts possible for you. There's ways to work with this no matter what phase the moon is in, because each phase brings qualities or energetic movements or flows that can be worked with in our lives. As the ancient Taoists would agree, aligning ourselves with these large flows of nature is generally a good idea. And the reverse, not so much. Don't push the river, they used to say. So if the moon is waxing or full right now, think about what you wish to bring into your life and to the planet and to human society at large. And if the moon is waning or new, think about what you'd like to release. At the full and new moons, you can focus either way, on fullness and emptiness, basically. As the Chinese symbol of yin-yang tells us, at its fullness, we know the darkness will be coming. The darkest times, conversely, herald the impending return of the light. You know how that looks? It's like here's a circle and it has these, but in the middle of each one, there's black on one half and light on the next half, but in each one has the dot of the other. So in the white half, there's the eye of the darkness, and in the dark half, there's the eye of the lightness. So again, at fullness, we know the darkness is coming. And at dark times, we know the light's coming back. All intertwined. All changing. If times are hard, we just remember it's going to pass. And if times are good, love the hell out of them because they're going to pass. All right, finally, after you've done the waxing or full meditation, envision a healing and loving gift for the planet as related to the material we're covering in this class, and release this vision into the night sky and to the brightness of the moon. Allow this vision then to vastly widen and circle the Earth, just like our shining lunar satellite. Think about the power of the moon to affect cycles, moods, even the tides of our earthly waters. And know your vision can have similar power. You might also, if you wish, hold your hands up to the moon and see if you can both see and feel the rays of the moon shining down right on you, coming down almost like a spotlight right on you. Bathe yourself in the moon's radiance. As you prepare to end this ritual, I invite you to bow to the moon, if this feels appropriate, knowing this is also a bow to your fellow peers and your instructors in this class, who are also participating in this lunar ritual with you. Express gratitude for this special time under the night sky of autumn with the other than human beings who are around you. Breathe in the night air and consciously allow yourself to soften and relax. Afterward, if you choose, you're welcome to share your experience in our forum discussion. Now here comes an aside, a potentially embarrassing, but potentially awakening question. Before this assignment came into your life, did you know what phase the moon is currently in? If so, good on you. And if not, well, consider making it a practice. Making it a practice of noticing what phase the moon is in often, even every day. It can be a really easy way to remain feeling connected to the Earth's larger natural cycles. Even if you find yourself in the middle of a huge city or enmeshed in some kind of personal or political strife, the moon is always there. And the moon can connect us. When living out in the middle of nowhere, sometimes I've found comfort in knowing that my beloveds far away can look up and we're all seeing the same moon. It makes the distance seem less. This might be particularly poignant now in times of COVID. I'll think of each of you as I look up tonight. Bright lunar blessings to you all.